guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So, at first, open your phone gallery and go to contacts. Choose the contact that you want to add this profile picture to, select edit and mark add picture. Now you can either open your camera and grab a photo straight away, or you can open gallery, pick the picture that you want to add to this contact, customize it however you like, and click on choose. Now mark save, and that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.